Mama Kwaba and Nesubim, A1 Casamosomfo, Nancy Brown, na menemo, ID a shea. Na ene, na Yenipen pa or de oye chief Nazali, now Yenini Chichin Comono, and Nesubim Yasan Aban and Chain Yenini Chichin Como, Afa, and Yema Yantini and Kamwasem Ivy, Nana, Yama Kwaba. Nana, Yanyan TSA. Would that it could be a friend, Abrofobia can say International Secret Society. Bibi Mamu Haya de Trinity, our can occult. You say, would that Baquano, a watermelon high. Person Bisa say, Sang and a Munuma, ACTA. And as the title occult and our secret society, Sang and it. What does it mean?
Secret society in the normal, make them a cheer. A mouth for you know, nipa de no more shaman, and any part of no man to my shaman in a mature manina. Mostly secret society, a your brotherhood. Mostly brotherhood, ye nipa, eba, ababeshia. Aya mamre, adia matumi, a fire hunam nina, adia matumi. Not to me now, I ye free a huchiri, ama ye dom, ama ye fame, ama ye adi bebre. Ewo brotherhood no secret society nipa bebre himself we a secret society member who funny pa na yesi who funny pa dia ya mamre ye funny pa dia ya mamre was secret society ye wo ni amamre nyema na ebeto ade afa ye initiation wa ba bedua ni secret society ye fa 3 days ade ye initiation no the final day of the initiation 2 minutes na be decide your fate. Near far at the crowd and air, Chirese and Famon, near Fadi amount, no swad and but young funny pa, and your young mamre. Then also over funny party, I am mamre, and funny party, I am mamre. Ye fire idea the nature say, and yet, Adia Yama to me. But the name say, ye Adia Mawa, ye, Nabiako Yamao. Not then open ye mouth. Never promise the spirit what you can do. Mammy, Cassadia Matuni, I did the crowd and I want me yet. Cardian and I bet my Yama to me. Now then, no super, no saka.
Yo, it's here for an nature, say a constitute society. A yes, with me, a free baby, a barber, a bodon pim, a woman who I share to me being sa. Not to me, no, a boy woman, and a nature, say, Nasuan, so I do ba. Semoja, Semodia, or moon yebi, a Yaman kitten, our better. Na omode aye adwuma no e de ama na ye pese e bisa sese obi pese obeka sa secret society ho a kwa be so na nipa no be fa so e de aba beka ho
then me chia me members the no mo equal the sign of the brotherhood to all my brothers who are in the whole world. This is your grandmaster who is giving you the sign of the brotherhood of love, the brotherhood of success, the brotherhood of protection. Uba bejwani ekuonu ye wa mamre nebe ye adi amao na wa ye member ewe ekuonu ye wa first group, ye wa second group, ye wa third group ewe ekuonu amamre de na obeye no eni na ebe kire group de na obedwene no. The more we are amamre no, the more you are being uplifted into the spiritual rank. Umbe peja o hu. Nipa bebre betima wo ama to me no betima wo brotherhood no. But we was culture we so was culture based on amamre than nipa no ye.
Na mama, the person me bisa say e kwa ben so na say obi wa abonten ye nuamba ma na ye nuamba o mo share so obi person obeta ku no ho a kwa ben so na nipa no be fa so aba na wo sorry pre kwa na waba wura ofie ha say oba beka ho ana say e kwa bi wo ho a procedures wo ho e wo so fa so ansa na wabeka ekuo no
wa bisa no cross no ekuo no ye ade de na bia de ama nipa bia de no person bra mfa no hunam nyina ade ama ekuo no wa fa number e wo fidie so na wa frɛ will tell you the things that you will do. If you pick the numbers on the screen, we'll tell you what you will do. And after that, we'll tell you that the necessary thing that is involved The item that is involved for the rituals. When you come, it takes 3 days for the initiation. When we initiate you and finish the final day, this is what you get from the brotherhood. It opens to anybody. People outside the camp, people doesn't come. And they even send money. And we'll initiate them. And I give it to them personally. If you want me to give the spirit to you, for you to come, you will come and I'll give it to you. If you want me to bring it to you personally, I can bring it to you wherever you are. And hand the item that is needed for you to become a member in the brotherhood. So everybody who wants to become member in the brotherhood, you can pick the number on the screen. And call me. When you call me, I will now tell you how it is for you to become qualified in the brotherhood. And when you come and join the brotherhood, I won't talk much. Your life will not be the same. You will become somebody who will protect you beyond imagination. There's no human being that can dip his hand into your blood. He will protect you in terms of anything that you have, anything that you want. You don't work with bodyguards, because the bodyguard that is behind you is more than human beings. When death comes, your bodyguard will run and leave you. But what is holding you is beyond bodyguard. So there are pastors plenty who are involved, who wanted to become, who are part of the brotherhood. Yes, we initiate them and show them what they will do. Open their eyes for them to see and tell people and solve people's problem. It doesn't mean that when you are a pastor or wherever, or if you join the brotherhood, you don't know what you're about. No. You have the heart, you have the desire to help people. Who was up from man for? So Baba G to me, I go boa man for. And it dey inside way juma Debbie. And Chelsea idea de na onya no ebe boa ebe say way juma Debbie. Uba now you're pastor. You be weni ade ama you are seeing now. You can tell somebody's problem. You can tell the person future. You can tell the misery that the person is facing. You can solve the person's problem. Ubwa ni pano na ni pana ye e ya dipa na ye boni. E ya dipa. The businessman obi wo dosu omo pese omo bra ba jwa na ekuo no. Waba ye be initiative wa ye initiator we ye be kire kwende no betima for osika na dia fa. Will fortify everything of yours into the spiritual rank. And ade bia ntimi boa obi wo sika nde e kire oni sika bio. Ba ye ya mamra dia mani pano ye fani pana dia hie ekuo no. There is nothing on earth that the person can be afraid of, unless God. There is nothing that can harm the person unless God. There is nothing that human being born by another woman can trouble your life. No. So to become a member in the brotherhood, it opens to anybody who is interested to become part of the Zurich Brotherhood. The gate of Zurich Brotherhood is open to everybody. If you come, we receive you as a brother. We love you more than your father and your mother. We take good care of you. We uplift you in the spiritual rank. There is no any weapon that can pierce your body. There is no any weapon that can destroy your life. There is nothing on earth, because the 3 days fortification we do, even if your mother or your father stand on your way, we'll clear the person on the way and let success be yours. We initiate you into the initiation of love. You will be loved by the society. You will be loved by anything that you want to do. Even if you sell feces, people will run to buy it. Even if you sell anything, they will run to buy it. The brotherhood is a brotherhood of everything that helps people. Run today, run, and come and become part of the brotherhood of Zurich. And we will uplift you. We will love you like our brother. We will love you as our own blood. We will love you as our own brother. And your wish will be granted.
Yo, it's here for Nana Chess, so be joining Kuya. Nya fa number na etwagu o screen this one. Na friend na wo friend na kwan a wo be fa so abe ka kuo no mu bia na be ka kire. Na e bia na wo suru se kuo e bia na wa be ka ho na yese china nkofa wo nua bra fa wo papa bra fa wo mama bra na se da bi. Na so ne so ha de wo ba eye niam bi kwan bi so no mo de wo be fa na honhom no a kire se we na obetimi aye we na obetimi aye na wa ye ni nyina na wa ba abe den abe ka kuo no na me pese me bisa se obi be bisa kra se na ekuoi me koka ho a mfa so be important na menya afrim Edi amfaswa mean the benefit.
Mfaswa de na ewe ekuo no. Edoso nchen bibia. Ekuo no wadwe na ekuo no. We fortify you. Ye bon ho ban. Ye bon ho ban na wie e wo sika asem. E wo sikan eni tuo eni asem bebre. We the to me no omo forward akọ baby fufuro asase de na wonim da. Ewiase de na wan ho da. Ono be forward akọ. A prepare you and sana forward aba. De na obe forward aba. Obi betima frame si nana nde me hu na me ashi na me say I where they have taken you through. It's not the way of men. The way of the spirit is not the way of men. On me forward they call a fortify you. Why do any brotherhood no? Atamfum bia ni we wiase we no betima how there be. Usika de na okita no be see sika no it doesn't deserve you. It deserve him. It won't work. Nipa no ntimi ya di boni bia na betima ba wo so. Even who papa and mama de no mo, they can't do anything in your life. You will stand tall among every human being. Bibia uko, ade bia de no who compete e wo nipa bebre. Competition about MP, we are MP who compete e wo bibia. Uko kodru ho. The love and the fame that you get, you will stand tall. In the gomba your friend say gandu, we be dane gandu ade amani babia. Obia be hu nkwa e we wiase. We a pastor, we bet my nipa don. We bet my church in Bayama, nipa does nipa be bread as we were abonte. Because I didn't refer the amount and cassa, a bet nipa be bread about. Benefit in a way, coon a dorsu. But any you know, I bet my coffee, so I did money pabia. But why do I know what first screen number never screen soon? Now about a journey coon. That is the day you realize that you are not an ordinary people. You are not an ordinary person. You become an immortal. There is nothing on earth that can penetrate your life. If you make money from the brotherhood, unye sike wo brotherhood no. Ade bia ni won ebetima we aswe. Ade bia wo fasika na de ahye, ebeda na ade pa. Ade bia wo fasika na de aye bia we wiase nyina obi abeti nka. And to me then to me sika then to me be fa de amba. My brother in the brotherhood, they can testify that you become extraordinary rich. You become a billionaire. You control power. You control love. Sika de no benye o 2 million cheno. It will become extraordinary. Nipa bebre beka asem bebre. But it is not how it is. When you become part of the brotherhood, you put things at your ears. Because the person wish it should be him, but it's not him. Whatever when you are part of the brotherhood and you make money, you yourself will sit down and be afraid. You will call me, Grandmaster, the money is too much. How can I do it to reduce? Let me see, that is the will of the Spirit. What the Spirit has given to you, nobody can deny it. Nipa bebre we are saying their spirit has been suppressed. People suppress their spirit down. Who uplift the spirit, nobody can suppress the spirit down. Even your father, your mother can suppress it down. You will shine, and the whole world will hear about your name. Wherever you are, any land that you place your leg into, you will make money. Brothers in the Zurich brotherhood, they help each other like brothers. We help each other so much. We link each other into businesses. We love each other. If you have occasion, if you invite the members in the brotherhood, when they come there, people become too afraid. We go to each other occasion. We respond to each other. We run quick to each other problem, to solve each other's problem and bring love to each other. Zurich brotherhood is a brotherhood of love.
Ti nana chere se ekuo ise oba na wo beka ho a eye wo sika famu ne niema bebre nana se ose wo obobo de mfaso a wo benya free kuo ho a che se wo ntimi mbo ni nyina na nana chere se wo nya fa numbers na da screen so na sa wo frɛ na wo beka kuo ho a wa brabo ebesesa nana ne kura no ede na wo kan ede a kire yetiefo ni ahwefo mo hwe samre.
The Namika de ama tie for nyina de na mo wiase nyina. Eku no ebia de ama nipa bia. It is open to everybody who want to become member in the Zurich brotherhood. Some people are businessmen. Things are not going well for them. They have collected loans. It has collapsed. Run quick and come and join the brotherhood. Pick the number on the screen and join the brotherhood, and your life will never be the same. will fortify you, you will get money and go and solve all this problem. People have money, and at the end of the day, the money goes and crumbles. It doesn't go well. Pick the number on the screen and become part of the brotherhood. The brotherhood will show you the way you pass, and everything will be okay. The brotherhood helps so many. We have so many links. The brotherhood is so many links. It's worldwide link. There are people out all parts of the world who are part of the brotherhood, who join the brotherhood. You know, it will help you. The brotherhood will initiate you. The brotherhood will accept you. It will link you with anything that you do. Business that you do, it crumble. It will rise. Ujisikai will bang so you will be able to pay the money because you get money from the brotherhood. The achievement that is in the brotherhood is more than anything of your own imagination. You can never imagine the benefit that is in the brotherhood. Pick the number on the screen and call me, and I'll show you the road that you pass to make success. To show you the road you pass to make money. People are saying that they are musicians, they want to become part of the brotherhood. I say become part of it because the brotherhood gives you money and gives you fame. When you join the brotherhood, you get protection, you get love, and fame will be yours. So I recommend everybody, run quick and join the brotherhood of Zurich. And your life will never be the same. You will control money and you will control power, and your wish will always be granted. And then person for bad way, I did change a man for Nina, the way, person man for one share bad way, Nina, the man never bad way soon, but someone training Nina, the man also, I did yarn so, the song in our share, the man also be yarn so. The person in Chiraman for said, ma, the normal fresh sika, it does we are saying to me the normal fresh sika. One wouldn't be, who would be who say who would be. Then person in Chiraman for any other credit in your Alexander, if you want to pull a bear, one of the bear, don't say bear, but when you bear, you shade. A bear pulled the shadows or a bear bumpers or bear take more pony. One is on the popcorn, you can't tap on the canyon and the Solomon Park. What's the Bamro Party of the down to Solomon gown to buy a gown in their gown? Yaba and doesn't seem like Macabon and Fabamro Parchandra. Fabamro Parchandra, Dama and Yakambona finding sun and buy. Catching the soup, the young son and then Calumna got settlement factum and farm material. Wabumro Pala Bolga, O Kitty or Nandia soup. Kabishimuno Pakubia, Suno Kuba Bupan Kubia. India Kuba and Mamma Park and Kenya and the party. The same in Chiraman for the no moving. Yes, come. And if $1, the minimum in our best side and is canny. Bessama for more share. Sikanum, Bessama for more share. Sikanum. Branami chief Nazar, if a number was criminal, never frame in a mahoto. Mekanjara say Waba. Sing umpire born a veteran and name out the end general Bema Ubambe for a testimony at your father. I didn't Gina, I just said an open woman, China, be old dear, a bay yamo. And Gina soon began your meet me there. And in a man for where we are soon. I didn't want to me or began you so bet my don't himself can't just meet me yet, and a crevitas war, but began you so bet my at the end of the winning in a bread. Ubami chief Nazelo went to me and began you sent me a bet my began you send bet my. And then I for when the ben yes you dollar. Me person who free approach bra na me boa na munye sika weni nyina sika no. Me person me hu bra weni nyina sika no. Weni nyina sika no. Ni nyina ye sika wa ba me nche weni nyina ye sika no sika ni. Bra na me ma buto ye weni nyina me person me nyina weni nyina sika no. Waba mema wa somwe mema wa somwe na mafawe ade a kire amanfo deti mamro pa fantama ene na ebe kire adu kro de no hie ni nyina ebe ye edwuma ebe yigina en ye edwuma so ebe kire ni sanati anu kure wo ho tumi wo ho. The road to success is not easy, but if you succeed in it, laughter and enjoyment, it will become yours. If you suffer and succeed,
If you travel and come with a ripe mango, it's better than to come back with a mango which is not ripe. Ubami Chief Nazaleho Ahuto Beya Udie. Ubami Chief Nazaleho Fanambane was cream nusu 0540 22222 442. Fanambane ne phone. Make sure when then over Fana Utoya Udie. Nenjina su. Among folk can you see pastors be brave, pastors my boy pastors be brave, no matter this. My boy pastors be brave to me so. Me can the way a pastor now I get to say ukita to me. Me be for bottom by adi amount. Any 1 billion and I 20 billion adi amount cash. What might be a dear way? Now that's where we are see. Within that period of time, be can just say to me ho. Fasikano and fan coffee. Pastors be brave, we first challenge on a German challenge. Ma tu kan be brave anti me challenge me. Wo si wet ma challenge me, ya tu be bekre na be fa dia ba on che. Tu be ba ku na be fa dia ba, boten ba na be fa ba. Omo frɛ boten ba na e tu mi de na kita asase nyina. Wo kita wo sase na omo si wa ba obi dua, be fa we na sai dua nyina. Omo aye we be fa we na sai we bia. We a pastor and I would you say, oh, to me. Before you were about. What might be a legal tassa? Now I does dinner 5 minutes. I will surrender to you. Before, maybe about church, I jam you be about on chair. But my mom within 5 minutes, that's way. I didn't make it a young correct. Brave Chief Nazaro of a number. Number 45. Na me peja wo sumsum so erwade ebonipa ne sumsum. I will uplift your spirit and grant you another spirit and you become somebody. Almost nipa we nipa boni dem enten no ye boni no because he's been protected because they have tried him. Oma ye aduma bebre oma succeed no so meka nye so nipa boni. We see nipa we nipa boni dem enten no ye nipa boni because he has tried several times, he has not succeeded the person. Surely then the person has become as nipa boni. If you try somebody you don't succeed the person, you say that the person is a bad man. What makes him bad? Because you have tried, you didn't succeed. I want you for people to try you and they will not succeed. So that they will call you nipa boni for. I'm saying you are nipa boni for. They will never nipa boni for because Oma ye nipa does we be asking. Oma ko nipa does we be asking. Oma ye adwuma nyina, oma ye adwuma agu nipa no dem, oma ye adwuma de agu bibia ba nipa da se we wiase we. So maka say nipa no ye nipa boni, remember what that nipa boni, now we go wiase we. They will say that the madman is becoming a man so that you live in this world. But if the madman is not a madman, because of the food he's eating, they would have cleared him off. But they know that the food he's eating is not the right way, it's not a good food. And your food is papa. Misha Bodami, now we say, they won't tell away about them because I look at you in a spiritual way, you are not a madman. He said, brother, yes, if I don't become a madman, they'll kill me and my time will not be up. I said, that's why you are mad. I said, then you are stupid. You have to be successful to your life, yes. How will you become successful? Protect yourself, fortify yourself. But if you say because of they'll kill you, you want to become a madman. You see madmen playing on the street, they are not mad. Half of them are not mad. They are fully mental. They are fully. They have energy. They have strength. They have mind. You see, but them you know God the no one gets what you will say. They won't tell no God is assassin. No. You go and be wondering why is it this person speaking this? Is it a madman or is not a madman? He's not a madman. It's human being who is making him mad because he knows how the world is. He has to make himself mad so that he will live long. There are people in this world. Them becoming poor is the reason that they are still living this earth. God is a wonderful God. Yes. Wa fa obia di ade ama nipa no say na nipa no bewe owiase we. Nipa we. His poor sweet him to be alive. This man, his riches sweet him to be alive. Omi betima ba me chenana mananta bre ba ye dwuma bre collapse ma ye de be me collapse am say ai It is the wonderful of God. If God make you rich 1 month, you die. Or you rich 1 year, you die. You say, sir, yes, sir. God shaped every human being based on his lifetime. If you want to become rich today, your lifespan will be short. That's why God make you to be poor. There are some people who will become rich. They will fight him in a spiritual way, everything, but they won't succeed because God has protection. He too, God has protected him in a spiritual way. That is why he's still alive. Or he has protected himself in a spiritual life. That is why he's still alive. I want to tell people that when you come to Nazareth, you become rich. Those people in abroad who want $, who want pounds, who want naira, who want everything. I have 2 things. If you join my brotherhood, you become rich. I have spirit that will give you money. This is my ring that I'm wearing. I won't tell you the secret of this ring, but this ring, if I tell you the items, just one item that you bring to get this ring, and nothing can happen to you, you will never understand it. If I do this ring to you, you become rich, you become protected. Even your mother who gave birth to you, any woman who gave birth to you, or whoever on this earth can never do anything if you have this ring. If I do this ring for you, you are blessed on earth.